Carrier mapping is the newest technology that we're starting to use here at Virtus Health PGD for patients who are at risk of having a child with a single gene disorder. So carrier mapping it's like a one-size-fits-all test. So our previous technology involved having to establish a patient-specific or couple-specific test for whatever genetic condition that they had. And this took sometimes months to prepare. Whereas with carrier mapping, because it's a one-size-fits-all test, we're able to have a test ready within as little as 2 to 4 weeks. Carrier mapping works by generating a DNA fingerprint, or a pattern, if you will, that surrounds the faulty gene in a particular family. So we obtain DNA from the couple and also from a family member whose genetic status is known. So they know whether or not they also carry that faulty gene or they don't. We get a particular pattern or DNA fingerprint around that faulty gene by comparing the DNA of the couple and the family member. Then we get DNA from a few cells taken out of their embryos, and we also generate that same DNA fingerprint surrounding the faulty gene. And we're able to do a comparison of that DNA with the DNA from the family members, and that allows us to determine whether or not those embryos will develop that genetic condition or not. So then the embryos that we've determined will not inherit the genetic condition are transferred to the woman's uterus and hopefully achieve a pregnancy and have a healthy baby.